Welcome back to the fourth dimension, people of YouTube. It's Ken Jackson here. I hope you guys are doing okay. COVID, be careful. I hope you guys are, whoever got the vaccine, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're okay. I heard it's not a tough process, but either way, I hope you guys are doing fine. Let me know how it is in the comments. If you want to hit me up, follow me on Twitter or Instagram. They may be flipped. Twitter or Instagram, whatever. I'm posting pictures of these cars, posting a few videos. Remember, some of these cars that I review are for sale. If you want to buy it, let me know. You got to be in the Houston area though. Also, if you want some work done on your car, body work, paint, any type of upgrades, let me know. Houston area only, Houston, Texas. We can get you a deal, get you a discount. We can figure out where you can go from there. Get you an exhaust system redone. I can send you places. You know, we got the connections up over here. We can get your work done for you. Anyway, 2016 Jeep Patriot Sport, 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your cabin air filter. I've already gotten started on it. As you can see, very easy to get to. Thank you, Jeep, Dodge, whoever, whatever. Anyway, cabin air filter is right here behind your glove box. I already took the glove box off. Pretty much these two tabs right here. The glove box is hooked onto these. You're gonna press up on it really tight. We'll give it a strong little press, not too strong. I know some of y'all are a little too strong out here. You don't want to break anything. It's gonna unclip. You're gonna unclip that side. Be careful because you got a cable right here. You want to be extra careful for that. Airflow bracket is going to show you exactly where it's at. This is what it says. Airflow. It goes right there. Cabin air filter is going to be right in there. I'm going to pull it out. It's going to look like this. This one is pretty dirty. Pretty dirty. So if I look at it in the light, it's pretty dirty. This Jeep has been to Louisiana a few times. Has been driven to other places. So if you do a lot of highway driving, travel a lot, check your cabin air filter, change it out if it's dirty, get you some fresh air going up in here so your car won't be stinking. You can keep that new car smell, keep your AC blowing fresh. This is also going to help your engine run better, help your AC run better, so forth and so on. The dirtier your filters are, just like for your home, the dirtier your filters are, it's not going to be well for you. And the car is just like, you got this engine running. It needs clean air. That's what your grills are for. It's bringing that fresh air up in there. It needs that fresh air to run properly. MPG is going to get lowered, so forth and so on. Sorry, I'm breathing heavily. Anyway, we got a K&N Performance cabin air filter. The reason why this owner wants this one, because it's, goddamn it, it's K&N. It's rewashable. It's a performance cabin air filter. Look at that, breathe cleaner air. Spanish. I think that's French. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's Chinese. No, I'm joking. Anyway, rewashable cabin air filter. K&N. Here's your part number. VF 2013. You can get this on Amazon. It is Prime available, but it's about $40-$50. Pretty cheap. Now, you say performance cabin air filter. How does that add performance? Check this out, bro. Technology is dangerous, all right? We can do a lot of things with technology now. This thing here, you getting this fresh air up in there, is pretty much causing for better airflow. Better airflow. We got a plane coming by, so I'm gonna pause the video. This is what you're getting in here. You can register this for your, what is it, 10-year warranty. You don't have to wash these for like 1,000,000 miles, dude. Like, you're saving money buying this K&N air filter versus changing this every 5,000 or so miles, depending on how much you drive. You feel me? But it's basically telling you to register your product. It's telling you pull this stuff out, squeeze it in, pull it out. It's right there, just like I showed you guys. Drop your glove box down, press it in, pull it out. They did it the easy way. I did some rigged shit. take the bracket off, or the blocking thingy off. Air filter's right there. Real easy. This is gonna take you about 5 minutes to do. No tools necessary. This is the, oh, they give you a little sticker too if you want to put that on. Look at this. Size comparison. It's about the same size. I put the K&N on top because it looks a little smaller. But it's not. Oh, my eyes have deceived me. Anyway, look at this. Nice fresh filter. Let me smell. Smell okay too. Let me open it. Let me smell this one. It smells like traveling. Look, it's bug. It's a, what is that in there? What is that? That ain't no bug. But it is possible to get bugs in these things. So check your cabin air filter, folks. You can't wash that because it's gonna deform it. Here's the K&N. It feels real nice. It feels more sturdy. Let me smell. It smells like R&D, research and development. I'm gonna stick this in here. We're gonna get some AC blowing. See if it's any stronger. See if you notice anything different. I'll catch you guys in a minute. Okay. No check engine light at all. Can let it warm up a little bit, but I can blow a little bit of air. So usually when you defrost, it's not on recirculation. You know, when you defrost, it's coming from the outside. You might need to let it run for a little bit, let the car readjust to the change. You notice a small change. So with this car, you're not gonna notice much of a difference because it's, as you can see, it practically still looks like it came from the dealer. Like, the only problem is this. Like, there's no helping that in any car. Everything else on here is vacuumed and kept clean. So it's gonna smell good. Now, the filter was dirty, like I said, but if he was starting to smell the odor, that's me sniffing if you can hear that. If he was starting to smell the odor, that filter was dirty, and it's better to catch it now than to catch it later and struggle getting the smell out of your car. Yeah. You can do that, but the AC is blowing. I mean, the heat's going. Nice and hard. Circulate. That is, hold on, it's too cold. Hold on, oh Jesus. Nah, this is really gonna help too. It's gonna help the fan. The fan is pushing the cold air or the heat as well. So I'm gonna put this back on here. This is done. So we're gonna move on to the next project. Car's running good. Still running good. It's good. Alright, so that's about it for this video. You can see I put it back on there. I gotta put this back on there, clip it back on. It's a little difficult, but I'm gonna do it right now. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you next time.